Welcome to the XIAOMI Redmi 10A, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first, to do that, we should slide at the same time to the center with our fingers and then click on the right down corner on the wallpaper icon. After that, we can see here wallpaper section, and this is the live wallpapers, so the online wallpapers. We can use them, or also we can switch wallpaper here to profile and click here to wallpapers. After that, we can use our just wallpapers from our device, the default ones. Also, we can click here to this plus icon and use photos from our device gallery, downloaded for example from the internet, or just used just made by yourself on your camera application, or for example, let's use here the default wallpaper. Click here to apply and set lock screen. After that, click here to agree. Now we can see that we just successfully changed lock screen wallpaper. Okay, we'll just add it to the color cell. So if you wanna use only this wallpaper, let's just go back again here to wallpaper, to profile, wallpapers, and for example this one, click apply, set lock screen, and then just tap here turn off wallpaper mix, and now we'll use here only our this wallpaper. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first we should open settings section and then scroll down to wallpaper section. By the same way, you can use photo from your device gallery, or from just your download default photos, or also you can use online wallpapers. But to do that, you should be connected to Wi-Fi or another mobile data. And for example, now let's use one from this wallpapers. Click apply and set lock screen, turn off wallpaper mix, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.